Well, ain't this just a downright mess?
My windshield. Huh? Ah! My micro garage! What? What am I going to do?
Well, can't say that hasn't happened before.
Get me out of here. What? No! Oh. I suppose technically if we had not built our garages in such a windy climate, this might have been avoided. What do we do? What do we do?
The only thing we can't do, I expect. And in my opinion, that's ask for help.
I agree, but who do we call? Who can help us build our garages back?
Maybe we ask my friends Umples and Bunumples.
If you ask me, from my perspective, this is the right approach, so let's not waste any more time.
Umples and Bunumples.
Help! 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 Bunumples, where'd you go? Bunumples! Da-na-na-na! Yo soy aquí! Umples! How can I help you? Bunumples, my friends need help, and they asked me to help them, and I don't know what to do. What happened? Ultimate destruction! Take a look! Umples, that's terrible! Yes, it is. But we know what to do. We do? Yeah. When someone needs your help, you lend a helping hand. Yeah, but Bunumples, we're goats. We can't build Legos with our hooves. Of course not. But I know someone who can help us help them. What? Wait a minute. Are you thinking of... Yep, Sharkie. Yeah! Sharkie can help us. You guys are gonna love him. Yeah. Let's go. Vámonos.
Welcome to Sharkie's Repair Shop, where we repair anything under the sun, that's right. We do cars, trains, buses, pens and pencils, shoes, jewelry, puppets, action figures, Legos, balloons, toothbrushes, watches, robots, whatever you need. No guarantees on success, we learn as we go. But we don't say no to anything! So bring on the Legos! I see some Legos, and they're red in Spanish. Red is rojo. Let's go! There you go. What did I tell you? Sharkie gets it done. Next. Well, thank you very much, Sharkie. More Legos! This time they're orange! In Spanish, orange is anaranjado! Let's go! Boom! Next!
Alright, that's what I'm talking about. Thanks, Sharkie.
Time for some yellow amarillo! Next! Yes! Gracias, Sharkie. on the green. Verde!
Yeah, all right.
Oh yeah, my favorite color, blue! Blue, blue, blue. We know what to do. In Spanish, it's azul because it's so cool. Oh yeah! Woo! Yeah! We did it, guys! This is the last one! Blue! Okay, guys, have a nice day, and don't forget about Sharkie's repair shop! You need something fixed, you bring it here, and we fix it! Or at least we try. Have a nice day! See you later!
I must admit, you do a great job, Sharkie. Gracias.
Well done, guys.
Alright, yay!
Yeah.
Thanks, Sharkie! Woohoo!
Indeed, Umples and Bunumples and Sharkie, you did it again. Gracias, muchas gracias. Whoa, they did it. They did it. Yeah. Wait, Sharkie! I got something for you to fix too. Wait for me.
Umples and Bunumples.